Good evening to you on what is pretty close to an ideal evening for football. There is barely a cloud evident. The world and his wife have gone to great lengths to be here for a match of great consequence and massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are pumped for this. They are fantastic scenes in the stands. There is a great sense of drama here, a great sense of excitement and expectation. This one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. There are plenty looking forward to seeing this, a capacity crowd here.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
The action has already started. Jim, you've played in games of this nature. Who can make the difference?
I'm going to pick João Moutinho.
Has a pop! No, not quite.
Well, I think a little eagerness just got the better of him. He may have been thinking about back-page headlines there.
Hoists it forward. And it's Ward-Prowse. Can he find a finish now? Goes for goal! Danger averted for now. De Bruyne. Quick glove, he's gone for it! It's there!
Darlington produced a lovely sequence of passes there. It's a terrific brand of football to watch, and importantly, it is a strong end product.
Darlington take the lead, 1-0.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
Has a goal! He's done very well to get to that.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Oh, super header, wonderfully acrobatic.
He had a choice of trying to volley that or get his head to it, and I'm pleased to say he took the right option. That's a great goal.
Things starting to look very comfortable.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
Kroos goes looking. And the counter is on. And it's the goalkeepers to claim. Well, they are working very hard to get it wide now, Jim.
Yeah, I think they've decided to concentrate on working the flanks to help the production line. It's where the room is.
Nelson Semedo. Well played, he saw that coming. And that's sprayed out wide. Forward it goes. Well, they've seen lots of the ball. Time to go for it a bit of creativity and adventure. Vida plays it forward. Tries to get it forward quickly. Battles to win it back. And it's played forward. Well, they could break here. Going through. Could move up a gear here. Here we go again. João Moutinho. And it's Adama Traore. Did well to step in there. That was more than necessary. Oh, good interception. Dashing forward at pace. A real chance to break. Into the channel. Drills one in. Chance! And in again. They are rampant! And surely that settles it. Rui Patricio did well the first time. Nothing he could do about the follow-up.
That's just top-notch, showing exactly why he follows it up every time. Keeper struggles to hold on to it, ball breaks kindly. He's always about.
Wolverhampton are able now to make their substitution. It's been on the cards for a few moments now. 3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Tries to get it forward quickly. It's a fine challenge and it goes his way. Hoists it forward. Just brushed off the ball there. And the shot! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
Darlington just served up a reminder of how good they can be on the break. Their method is clear.
Final checks on the touchline. A change about to occur.
I just think that's really good management, introducing one of his younger players when the pressure's totally off, just allowing him some valuable, easy on-field experience time.
He's made sure that that won't get through. Rui Patricio sends that a long way. He's in! Hits one! Oh, top draw save from the keeper.
Do I really need to tell you, Peter, that he has to do better, especially from there?
So will they make it count again? Hurls himself at it! Yeah, he's fouled him there. Rui Patricio gets it upfield. And it's Adama Traore. Now it's Moutinho. And it's got through. Adama Traore. Timely intervention. Forward it goes. Now the counter. A real chance. Face to face with the keeper. Has a hit! Cleared without complication. Turns and goes back. Has a hit! Oh, extraordinary. So now we're going to get those changes we have been expecting.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose it did need a little change.
And he's straight offside. Wolverhampton making another change here.
Yeah, he's run himself into the ground, hasn't he? And it's good to see that the crowd appreciate his efforts, because he has put in a real honest shift.
He's got the ball, he's got the space. Forward it goes.